Well, it's been raining a lot. Let me show you. This is over the last 24 hours. It's almost 1.5 inches of water. That's crazy. Now, as good as that is, we sure need that water. I've still got to mow the grass. So today I figured, why not have a good old-fashioned mowing video? Got to get all this cleaned up. It hasn't been mowed in a week. It's been raining all week, which means the grass has been growing a lot. I've been playing it safe with the fertilizer, haven't really fertilized much through the summer, just kind of letting it be and letting it grow on its own without any kind of push. So it's long, needs to be cut, it's gonna be wet, it's gonna be messy, but sometimes you just gotta get it done. Backyard, putting green, surround, putting green, front yard, it's all gotta get done. We've got other things to do as well. Probably will put those in other videos. I hate that rooster. Let's get mowing. Gotta try to keep this under control and try to guide it over this way so it's not coming into the lawn, because I don't want to clip the vines. But in case you're wondering, this is pumpkin. Look at the baby pumpkin right there, and then there's another baby pumpkin in there. Let's see if there's any big ones. Are there any big pumpkins in here? Oh yeah, here's a pumpkin. Good sized pumpkin right there. Nice. What else we got? Oh, that's a little baby one. And there's another one back there. So yeah, anything on this end? A lot of little ones. Another little one. Another one over there too. And another one in there. We're gonna have a lot of mini pumpkins this year. We gotta keep these vines in their space though. Those are kind of pokey too. They're gonna make me itchy, dang it. Don't like that. This is a blackberry vine. They're crazy too. They're all just competing for space now. Look at that pumpkin just taking over the blackberry bush. Look at that, that's crazy. It's coming all the way over here. Go that way. I'll try and keep this cleaned up. Looks a lot better. Now, When you're mowing grass that long, that tall, and you're side discharging, which is not really ideal, but in my case, this is all I've got. I don't have a bagging kit. I don't have the mulching kit on here. I just have been side discharging because under normal circumstances, I'm really not cutting off a whole lot, not even half of that. So the problem is that you get situations like this where you've just got tons of clippings just laying on top of the grass here. They're just all over. See that? And they're everywhere. That's not good. This is not gonna help things. It's not gonna break down very quick. It's just gonna create a mess. It's gonna create that. So we need to break down these clippings more, get them smaller, and kind of hide them inside the canopy of the grass. So the only way to do that is to mow it again. Now, when you mow it the second time, don't go the same way that you just went. That is gonna put ruts in your grass. It's gonna just cause problems later. You're gonna wanna level things out. You don't need to do that. We're gonna go the opposite direction. So we're just gonna do a perfectly simple checkerboard pattern here, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's do it. All right, that looks way better, way cleaner. I love it, especially in this wide angle. It just looks so cool. I love this time of year. It's starting to cool off. Summer's on the way out, getting into fall. It's a great time. Clean up this mess. All right, fun's not over. Let's do the putting green. There, backyard's done. And it looks so good. Putting green's really coming along. I am excited to aerate and top dress it with sand very soon. Stay tuned. Follow along if you're not already. We'll have a beach day together. It'll be a lot of fun. Honestly, the best part about all of this is I don't have to water the lawn for probably a solid week with all that water that we just got. The ground's super saturated, plenty of water to go around, temperatures are down, lawn's not gonna be stressing at all. So make sure you skip your waterings if you get that much rain. Really, you should have a smart controller like a Ratio. It'll skip for you. Okay, let's finish the job here. Front yard, last piece, here we go. there we go. Now it kind of gives you an idea of what it takes to mow my whole yard, front, back, all the things. Looks really good. It's pretty soggy, so we're gonna, again, lay off the sprinklers for probably a good week. It'll be a good thing. Don't need any more water for now. But that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Let me know if you have any questions. Consider subscribing if you're not already. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.